Today, I am going to give details of one of most powerful car, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Let's start.
Signature LED lighting gives the FJ a modern look. Four-wheel drive adds confidence away from the road. Advanced safety technology adds another layer of protection. But does it deserve the Land Cruiser name? The bold front grille creates a strong first impression. LED headlights add modern lighting technology. The Toyota badge makes the identity unmistakable. Together, gives the FJ its tough character. The boxy body gives the FJ a strong presence. Flared fenders add to its rugged stance. Rugged bumpers are designed for adventure. Cabin completes the classic Land Cruiser-inspired design. The ladder frame forms the structural foundation. Reinforcement adds strength for demanding conditions. High-strength materials help deliver durability. Improved rigidity helps the vehicle stay composed. The FJ keeps the Land Cruiser idea in a compact body. A shorter wheelbase helps maneuverability. Tight turning makes narrow roads easier. That makes it practical both in town and on the trail. The rear differential lock helps improve traction. It helps the rear wheels work together when needed. Power can be directed where it matters. That can make difficult obstacles easier to tackle. Downhill assist helps control steep descents. Brake control helps manage the vehicle's speed. Tire grip keeps the FJ connected to the surface. The result is a more controlled downhill drive. Hill start assist helps prevent unwanted rollback. Braking support keeps the vehicle steady. It is especially useful on steep inclines. Then the FJ can move forward smoothly. Roof rails add useful carrying capability. They can support adventure equipment. Side steps make access easier. Together, they make the FJ ready for outdoor trips.
The wheels are designed for stability and control. Tire grip is crucial when the surface gets rough. Off-road focused tires help handle loose terrain. Wheel clearance helps when obstacles get close.
Distinctive rear lights continue the rugged design. The rear-mounted spare keeps a classic off-road look. The tailgate provides access to the cargo area. The complete rear design keeps the FJ unmistakable. The horizontal dashboard keeps the cockpit clear. The layout keeps important controls within easy reach. Simple controls are designed for quick access. The shift controls complete the practical cockpit. The rear bench uses a 60-40 split. The seats can slide for added flexibility. They also recline for passenger comfort. That gives the cabin more useful flexibility. The rear provides practical cargo space. Fold the rear seats when you need more room. The expanded loading area makes carrying gear easier. That makes the FJ useful for everyday luggage. A 12.3-inch display sits at the center. The touchscreen puts controls within easy reach. Connected navigation helps guide the journey. Vehicle information and controls are brought together on screen. The front camera helps show what is ahead. Side cameras help reveal areas around the vehicle. The rear camera improves visibility behind the FJ. Together, they provide a wider view when maneuvering. The FJ measures 45 millimeters long. Its width is 1855 millimeters. The wheelbase measures 2580 millimeters. The result is a more compact Land Cruiser package. Mud puts traction to the test. Rocky terrain tests clearance and control. Tight forest trails demand maneuverability. And the FJ is built to take the adventure further.
Ladder frame strength and four-wheel drive. Serious traction and rear differential capability. Advanced safety and camera technology. Modern technology and practical everyday usability.
Compact enough for everyday life. Tough enough for demanding trails. Capable enough to go beyond ordinary roads. This is the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Rugged design gives the FJ its Land Cruiser character. Its compact size makes it easier to maneuver. Four-wheel drive gives it serious off capability. But is this mini Land Cruiser really ready for the tough? A ladder frame provides the foundation for rugged driving. Ground clearance helps keep the body away from obstacles. FJ keep moving. Now the question is, how far can it really go?